Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use custom teams in franchise mode in MLB The Show 26. The game doesn't have a team builder feature, but you can still create your own custom team by editing an existing MLB team's roster and then customizing its name, logo, uniforms and stadium in franchise mode. First, from the main menu, go to create and select roster control. Then choose roster control again to view all of the available teams. Pick the team that you want to replace with your custom team and then select player movement. This is where you will build your roster. You can move players from other teams onto your custom team and remove any players that you don't want. If you have created your own custom players, switch over to the free agent pool by pressing R1 and L1 on PlayStation or RB and LB on Xbox and add them to your roster. Once you're happy with your lineup, back out and confirm the changes. Then press square on PlayStation or X on Xbox to auto-fix the roster. After that, select Save Roster, choose Save Custom Roster, give it a name and save it. Now it's time to use that team in franchise mode. Go back to the main menu and select Franchise. Press square on PlayStation or X on Xbox to start a new franchise and make sure to select Load Own Roster. Choose the custom roster file that you just saved and then select Take Full Control. Move over to the team that you edited. Before starting, press square on PlayStation or X on Xbox to see more options. You can open View Roster to make sure all of your custom players are there. Next, select Customize Team. From here, you can change your team's location, name, abbreviation, colors, and even choose which stadium they will play in. You can also customize your team's logo by opening the logo vault, download any specific community created logo that you like, or search for a specific one. After downloading a logo, go into the logo editor, select the logo category you want to change and load your downloaded logo file. You can resize it, move it around and make it fit perfectly on your jerseys and caps. Finally, you can customize your home and away uniforms, make any additional changes you want and save your team. And that's how you create and use a custom team in franchise mode in MLB The Show 26. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.